Welcome back to my channel. We are going to do a very quick review on this awesome new Profusion product that I found at Walmart. This retails for $7. Is the Ice Sparkling Eye Topper Waterproof Shadow Stick set or duo, and I got it in Twinkle. This is the lightest shade they have available in this, and I think they had about 3. Also, sorry for the humming buzzing sound. It's really hot here and the air conditioning's on, but I really wanted to film this for you guys. I've used this several times, and I'm going to insert a couple different pictures where I use this. This product is great. Okay, so on the back the directions are: apply the opal on the eyelid and blend with fingers. That is the pencil. And it says glide Twinkle to the center of the lid and inner corner of the eyes. You blend that for sheer finish or layer for a more dazzling effect. This is also cruelty free. Now if you like the Milani, the eye toppers, you're going to love this, except this is a light kind of white gold with a little bit of silver, a little bit holographic in there, and it's a glitter. It's not just like a shimmer, it is a straight up glitter. Now this pencil here, you guys, is like a peachy champagne kind of shade. I already have swatches on my hand, ignore that. Anyways, it looks like that. It's so beautiful, and let me tell you, the claims are true. This is waterproof. I had it on my hand all day long, wore it on my eyes all day long also. It didn't crease, it didn't wash off. It is waterproof, you guys. So if you're looking for something to just place on your eyes, like just a nice shimmer or something before you go swimming or anything like that, if you want to wear makeup going swimming, that's you. This is going to be perfect for that because it's waterproof and it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Is the glitter topper, and I like the square, nice packaging, and you get it a little applicator, and look how opaque that is, just one swipe. I'm wearing it today in my crease, and it is so pretty. This does not do it justice. It is stunning, and it's glitter. It does not fall off through the day. This adheres so nicely. It does dry quickly. No creasing on me, and the glitter is very opaque. Like, you can build it up like so fast and quick, and paired together you cannot lose. Like, it's going to stay all day long. You need this in your collection if you like these eye toppers, if you like glitter. This is great. Like, we thought the Milani was great, but I think these are even better because they are glitters and it's opaque. And I hope you'll definitely try this product out for yourself. They work awesome. The glitter did not flake off on my face during the day either, so that's definitely a plus. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little quick review. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and stay tuned for more videos. Check the description box for additional links.